Hi everyone, today we'll discuss about chapter 5 section 5, solving equations and inequalities of rational expressions. Now before we'll learn about how to solve rational equations. So what was the equation? Equation means if the two statements are equal each other, yes, and there was a rule of equations. Firstly, all the variables must be in the same side and the coefficient of x must be 1. So in that case you can find your value of x. Here also we'll try to find the value of x, but here we have an exception. In the end you have to check your answer by replacing instead of first given rational expression. So let's start. Firstly, I have x plus 3 over 2x equals to 5 over 8. So to find the x, first you have to cross product. So it will be x plus 3 multiplied by 8 equals to 5 multiplied by 2x. And then x multiplied by 8, or 8x it will be, 3 multiplied by 8 plus 24 equals to 10x. And then you have to move all the variables or like terms in the same side. So 8x minus 10x equals to negative 24. From here, 8x minus 10x, negative 2x it will be, equals to negative 24. And then when you divided both sides by negative 2, result will be positive 12. Now, is it true or not? You have to check. So don't forget, you have to check by first given rational expression. So x plus 3 over 2x equals to 5 over 8. Now instead of x we will give it 12. So 12 plus 3 it will be 15 over 2 multiplied by 12, 24. Is it equals to 5 over 8? When you simplify both of them by 3, you will get 5 over 8. 5 over 8, 5 over 8 is satisfied, so that's true. You can say your solution set is 12. Okay. Now let's solve second question. It's x over x minus 6 equals to 1 over x minus 4. Here also you have to cross product, and x multiplied by x minus 4 equals to 1 multiplied by x minus 6. So x multiplied by x to the power of 2, x multiplied by negative 4x. Because it's 1, it will be itself x minus 6. Directly you can write. Because I have here x squared, okay, you have to move all of them to the same side, because later we need to factorize. X squared minus 4x minus x, because I will move this x to left side, plus 6 equals to 0. Now x squared minus 5x it will be plus 6 equals to 0. So when you factorize x and x, negative 2 and negative 3. So your factors will be x minus 2, x minus 3 equals to 0. When you equalize each factor by 0, you will get x equals to positive 2, x equals to positive 3. Now we will check, is it satisfied when I replace instead of x? So let's check for the first one. When x equals to 2, so x over x minus 6 equals to 1 over x minus 4. 2 over 2 minus 6, it will be negative 4, equals to 1 over 2 minus 4, it will be negative 2. So when you simplify this, it will be 1 over negative 2 equals to 1 over negative 2. So here don't write as your solution set 1 over negative 2, okay? Because two statements can equal each other because of my x equals to 2. So this is satisfied. Now let's check for the x equals to 3. You can directly write 3 over 3 minus 6, negative 3, 1 over 3 minus 4, negative 1. So 3 over negative 3, it will be negative 1, equals to 1 over negative 1, negative 1. Here also satisfy. So that in that condition we have two solutions. Solution set is 2 and 3. So this both of them are satisfied. Let's see the next question. First you have to add two rational expressions first and then multiply it cross product, okay? So here you have to multiply it by 3 first and the second one by a. So your result will be 3 multiplied by 1, 3 over 3a, plus a multiplied by 1, a over 3 multiplied by a, 3a, equals to 1 over 3a. Because denominators are same, you can write it 3 plus a over 3a equals to 1 over 3a. Now here we have short way. If you have equal, yes, and if your denominators are equal each other and between them you have equal sign, you can directly cancel your denominators if they are same. So what's left? 3 plus a equals to 1. So a equals to 1 minus 3, a equals to negative 2. Now we will check it. Is it true or not? So 1 over a plus 1 over 3 equals to 1 over 3a. So substitute instead of a negative 2, 1 over negative 2 plus 1 over 3 equals to 1 over 3 multiplied by negative 2, negative 6. So here you have to multiply it by 3, here by negative 2, and it will be 3 over negative 6, negative 2 multiplied by 1, negative 2, it will be over negative 6. So because now your denominators are same, and other side is 1 over negative 6, 3 minus 2, it's 1 over negative 6, 1 over negative 6. That's true. That means your solution set is negative 2. Or your value of x, a, which is negative 2, is satisfied. Let's see the next question. Here I have 3 minus x over x minus 4. Denominator of 3, by the way, is 1. Yes, always the constant numbers denominators is 1. So here you have to make it same. How? By multiplying x minus 4. So what will be? 3 multiplied by x minus 4 over x minus 4 minus x minus 4 equals to 4 over 4 minus x. Now because denominators are same in the left side, so you can write it 3x minus 12 minus x over x minus 4 equals to 4 over 4 minus x. 3x minus x, 2x minus 12 over x minus 4 equals to 4 over 4 minus x. Now check their denominators, girls. Here x minus 4, 4 minus x. So it will be just help you one of the denominator just multiplied by negative 1 to make it same and cancel it. Okay, so I will choose the second one. I will multiply numerator and denominator by negative 1. 2x minus 12 over x minus 4 equals to negative 1 multiplied by 4, negative 4, over negative 4 plus x. X minus 4, negative 4 plus x. Now they are same. So you can directly cancel them because between them we have equal sign. How it will be? 2x minus 12 equals to negative 4 is left. So 2x equals to negative 4 plus 12, it will be positive 8. So x will be here 4. Now we will check, is it satisfied or not? So 3 minus 4 over x minus 4. Just here the short way is a value of x which you find in the end, just substitute instead of your denominator. 4 over 4 minus 4. If it makes your denominator 0, it cannot be your result. Here no need to continue because 4 minus 4 it's 0 and it's in denominator. Because denominator cannot be equals to 0, yes, x minus 4 because makes my denominator 0, there is no solution. Okay, let's see next question. Next question, also we have x minus 3 and x plus 3. So firstly here you have to multiply it by first factor, a rational expression by x plus 3, the second one by x minus 3. So we will first solve the left side first. Okay, it will be x multiplied by x plus 3, x minus 3 multiplied by x plus 3, plus 2x multiplied by x minus 3 over x plus 3 multiplied by x minus 3. We didn't touch for the which is in the right side, okay, so it will be still same. Now first numerator will be x squared plus 3x because denominators are same. Okay, I will just write it numerators all together. So plus 2x squared negative 6x over x minus 3 x plus 3 equals to 18 over x squared minus 9. X squared plus 2x squared, 3x squared, 3x minus 6x minus 3x. Okay, now denominators x minus 3 and x plus 3. So x minus 3 and x plus 3. I can write it also x squared minus 9, isn't it? X minus 3 and x plus 3, it's the factors of x squared minus 9. Expression which is in the right side, x squared minus 9. Now I have equal sign and my denominators are same. So you can directly cancel them. So what's left here? 3x squared minus 3x equals to 18. Move it to the left side. 3x squared minus 3x minus 18 equals to 0. Now let's solve here. Minus 3x minus 18 equals to 0. Here the shortest way is, like if you have a common factor, just take it out. 3 is common, so x squared minus x minus 6. Left, factorized x and x, negative 3 and 2. Don't forget to check it. When you multiply negative 3 by 2, it's negative 6. When you add them, negative 1. So 3x minus 3 x plus 2 equals to 0. And then equalize each factor by 0. 3 equals to 0. X minus 3 equals to 0. X plus 2 equals to 0. Now the first one, it cannot be as 3 cannot be equals to 0. And the second one, x will be equals to 3, x will be equals to negative 2. So now we will check it one by one. check. X over x minus 3, always write same as a given rational expression first and then substitute, okay? So don't use the other steps, okay? Now, and then I can now substitute 3 over 3 minus 3. Be careful. 3 over 3 minus 3. So that 3 makes my denominator 0. No need to continue. Directly just cross it. X cannot be equals to 3. So now let's check for the x equals to, when x equals to negative 2. Okay, so it will be negative 2 over negative 2, negative 3, negative 5 plus negative 2 multiplied by 2, negative 4 over negative 2 plus 3, it will be positive 1, equals to 18 over negative 2 square, it will be positive 4, subtract minus 9, negative 5 it will be. Now here we need the negative 5 as a denominator, yes? So I need to multiply my second rational by negative 5. So negative 2 over negative 5 plus negative 5 multiplied by negative 4, positive 20 it will be, over negative 5 multiplied by 1, negative 5, equals to 18 over negative 5. Now here, negative 2 plus 20, positive 18 over negative 5, equals to 18 over negative 5. So that's true. I can say that my solution set is negative 2. That's it for this section. Thanks for your